Good morning, friend. Today I will discuss how to take drill offset. We all know drill offset is a very vital part of CNC machine, and the setting of drill is a very vital thing. Today I will discuss how to take drill offset. So you have to imagine a CNC machine, and there is a chuck, and there is a study station. The study station consists 8 blocks, it's 7 blocks, and depends on its nature. Suppose there is a job of 20 diameter that is clamped on a chuck, and there is a drill of 10 and we have to drill on 20 diameter job. Then what will you do? We have to take offset. So today I will discuss the offset techniques. So at first we have to clean the face of job, because we all know the job which are fit in a chuck, that is not neutral. We have to neutral it by means of fishing, and the fishing will be done by a OD block which will be in the tire station. And so what is the first step? We have to first clean the job face by means of fishing. That is the first step we have to do. Next, what will you do? We have to clean the OD surface, because the to take the value of diameter should be proper, so that drill can take its center properly. If drill do not take it center properly, so it will acentrically drill, and as a result of it, it will break the drill and it will create an accident. So we have to clean the OD surface by means of OD block, and that will be completed by turning operations. So after cleaning the OD, what will you do? Simply we have to take the drill of 10 whatever you have required. Here I have taken the 10 drill. So I will take the drill from the station to the face of the job, and we will take the Z value of here. And what will be the value of Z here? And that is a very important. The value of Z will be here. It is Z0, and we put the value of Z 0.0 measured value in a geometry offset. And in case of taking offset, you may use the paper, a thin paper, which can help you to take the offset. If you simply take the drill from here to here and take the offset, so drill surface can impinge the job. As a result of it, the drill bit can break or damages takes place on the drill. So we will take simply a paper, and you may, in the CNC machine there is a jog mode and handle mode. You may use the handle mode, and you may simply take the offset by means of handle mode, and you may put the value of Z 0.0 measured in geometry by taking the point of here. Here you will do Z 0.0 measured value in geometry. Put it. After that, what will you do? Fourth step. That is a very important step. You have to take the value of X. Suppose in a CNC machine, if there is a mass production system, then you may take the simply center value of the machine. Then you have do not take any kind of X value. If you do not know the value of center value of the CNC machine, then you have to take the X offset. So how will you take it? As I told you earlier, then we have to turning operation. We have to do turning operation for cleaning the OD surface, because the OD is not neutral. So at first we will clean the OD. Suppose the OD 20, we have cut it 0.5 mm. So the diameter became 19.95. Okay, sorry, 19.5. So the diameter became 19.5. And what will be the value of x? Simply we have to take the drill from here to here, and you do not touch it. You have to use the paper, and you may put the paper in between drill and jaw. And here you may take the paper, and you have to take the offset value. So what is the diameter of the job, and become after the cutting of OD 19.5, and the dia of drill is 10 mm. So what will be the value of x? It is simply 19.5 plus 10, that will be 29.5. And you simply go to the geometry offset and put the value of x 29.5, and that is the process to take the drill offset. And you may do it in practically. Thank you guys. Thank you.